Hello, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Nilay, Abhay, Rajat, Deepak,
Good evening, sir.
Good
Atsutan,
evening, sir.
good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen now? Is it visible? No, I think just a minute.
No, sir.
No, let me share my screen just a minute. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I'm sharing this file for your assignment. Okay, in
Okay.
a group, you have to create the close volume.
So one technical question.
Yes, Nilay.
Uh, I was reviewing the close volume with master section.
Hmm.
So I got to know the concept about the
Graining.
the graining while the product is being cleared in the tooling direction. So what is it and how to implement it and means how to take care.
Okay, and why? Okay, Nilay. So for this task, close volume as per master section, mention your time. Okay, how much time you need, how much time
Okay.
you are taking for this assignment. Okay, okay. So yes, Nilay, regarding graining, first of all we will have to understand what is the MTD, how will be the slider lifter will work. Okay, for slider lifter, and after that we will discuss what is graining before, because for graining also you will have to understand what is 7-degree shut off, why we are using the angle more than 3-degree and 7-degree. Okay,
Okay.
see in simple language what is graining, let me show you quickly. Any idea? Can you see this one? What can be the purpose of graining? This is graining.
Sir, I know more about means graining. I know a little bit about the sheet metal components.
Sheet metal
Generally,
component. Okay.
the grind means the bending, or for example, say bending operation is done in the direction of the graining to
Hmm.
avoid the fractures and the to break. So in this case, I don't know what exactly it is.
Okay. Okay, so this is an interview questions. Okay, this is an interview question. What is graining and what is the purpose of graining and what are the standards? Okay, can you see different type of graining? Can you see the structure? This one, first, second, third. See
Yes, sir.
this as well. See, we had different type of graining structure. These are also the part of graining. Okay, so what is the purpose of graining? Okay, can you see this? What is the part? What is this part?
This is the dashboard, I
The
think.
dashboard. Okay, the dashboard and plastic finish. Okay, so what is the purpose? The purpose of graining is, means according to you, what can be the purpose? Any idea? Others, Nilay, Deepak, Abhay,
हाँ sir.
Achyutan, what is the purpose of graining?
Main purpose is to avoid scratches on the air surface, sir. Aesthetic
Okay,
surface.
okay,
And
others,
for
For aesthetic purpose.
aesthetic purpose. Subhajit, good. Again, who is from alphabet P? Prajesh. Okay. Yes, Joyjit, Prajesh. What is the purpose of graining? Rajat, Achyutan, what do you think? Means any logic, simple logic. What can be the purpose? First one is correct. What? Scratch resistance. Okay, just to avoid scratches. Good, Joyjit. Again, imagine if there is no graining and the plastic is completely glossy. What will happen?
So in
The light
that
will get
case,
reflected. Light will get reflected from the surface and
Perfect. Yes, Subhajit.
Yes, for the driver in the dashboard,
Hmm.
they having problem for
Hmm.
reflection of the light
Perfect.
for visible side.
Perfect. It will disturb the visibility of driver. ओके, कंफर्ट फील नहीं होगा आंखों पे, अगर लाइट आ रहा है तो हेडेक भी हो सकता है जिनको ड्राइविंग सूट नहीं होता है. Achyutan, do you want to mention some point?
Sorry, sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay, no issue. Okay, got it. So we got two benefits, sir. Deepak mentioned, sir, to Deepak and Yojit mentioned, sir, to avoid the scratch. See, if this is completely glossy, the dashboard is completely glossy. Tell me if you are keeping your mobile or the keys or some goggles, let's say your tiffin box, office tiffin box. So what will happen while driving? The part will
So it
move,
will get
the
slide,
yeah,
Slides.
yes,
object will
smooth
slide
over the
on the
sliding.
dashboard, yes, while turning. So there will be some scratches and that scratches will be visible. Okay, to avoid that thing we have graining. Okay, to reduce the light reflection, as Suvajit mentioned, yes, we have the graining technique. Again, what is the purpose? Third one, aesthetic. Yes,
Aesthetic view.
aesthetic. Okay, clear,
Yes.
Nile?
Yes.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
have different type of grades in graining. Can you see the different type of where was that image? This one. इसके अंदर second वाला था, I think so. Yeah. Can you see different pattern, different grade? We have
Okay.
for each pattern we have different grades, and for each grade there will be different requirement of angle in toolings. Okay, some
Okay.
grade, some grains will need 7 degrees, some will need 5 degree, depends on your grade. Sir, who will provide the graining details? The OEM. Okay, we have two type of graining: graining directly on the plastic, graining with leather. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, this is a complete gluing process. Here you can see, I think this is on plastic directly. Can you see the door panel? Graining directly on plastic. Tell me, on this portion, do we need graining? This is the upper portion from where the window glass will come up.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, why?
Because the sunlight enters from the glass and it can get reflect onto the
Good.
and get into yeah, eyes.
Again, second point.
Uh, Scratches avoid करने के लिए और
Perfect. Imagine in your hand आपने मेटल
जनरली
वॉच,
सर,
यस
हाँ,
मेटल वॉच,
जनरली सर,
नहीं तो कुछ
हाँ,
तो भी बैंक, कुछ तो भी रहेगा हाथ में. ओके,
हाँ,
तो it will create some scratches over here, will
yes,
damage. Okay, so that's why on this portion we have graining. This is the dashboard. Here you can see very smooth graining. Okay, depth is very small. Here you can see different pattern, again different pattern, different grades. Okay, so this is graining. Clear, Nile? Now, so what
yes,
is
sir.
the angle details? 3 degree, 7 degree. So who will provide these details? Where should we mention this one? Where should we consider this one? We will cover this point in 3D directly. Okay, generally
Okay,
for graining, see, it will be in tool directly. Okay, it will be a process of milling. Otherwise, if it can be done by the hitting the balls as well. Okay, do we have that image? See, these are patterns. Okay, but these are grains. Okay, so these are grains. Okay, sorry. Okay, done. Now, can you see this? I think these are the plastic granules, polymers. Okay, no, this is something different. Okay,
Hello, sir.
these are not grains. Okay, these are granules. Yes, Subhajit.
Sir, what is the minimum drop angle required for clear grain?
Draft angle required for, sorry.
minimum drop angle required for clearing the grain
Okay, okay.
structure.
See, it can be minimum 3 degree, I think. Depends on your grain grade and the plastic.
Yeah,
Okay, three. Generally, we
minimum
keep
is 3
three.
degree, right?
Yeah, 3 degree. Generally, we keep 3 degree.
3 to 7.
Yeah, 3 to 7. More than if you are having more than 7 degree, then it will be good. Okay,
So depend on the
grade,
depth of the grain. It's,
depth. Yes.
the yes, 1 micron means 10 micron means 1 degree,
Yeah.
like that.
See, we don't have such a perfect rule, but again, depending on the grades, the depth of the grain, we will try to keep angle as much as possible. So why should we keep the graining angle? Okay, let me open our last file. Mm, this one, I think so. Yeah. Remember in our last session, we modified this surface, yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But tell me now, suppose you have the inputs in your presentation, you have to apply graining on this surface, complete surface, on a surface. Tell me in which direction your core and cavity will open. Tool will be something like this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tool will be something like this. So how will be the tool? Tool will be like this. 1, 2. See, this is a rough tool, okay? 3. Okay. Let's consider this as vertical. 4, 5, 6, 7. Tell me this will the yellow box. Tell me a surface will be cleared with yellow or green one. Tell me.
Yellow side.
Cavity side.
Cavity side, yes, sir. Yellow color.
Okay. Here you can see the green block and the yellow block. Okay. Tell me the green block will move upside or downside?
Downside.
Down,
Downside. And the
downside.
yellow
Upside.
Upside, sir.
upside. After injection process, once the solidification
Sir,
of the plastic
cavity
part
is a
done.
fixed
Yes.
kind of.
Sorry.
Hello, sir. Cavity is a fixed part and core is moving, right, sir?
See. Yes, core is moving and the ejector pins will be from B side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are ejector pins? Once your part gets solidified, it will stick to your green tool. Okay. It will stick to a green tool. So there will be some pins which will push your part outside. Once you open the tool, the machine open the tool, the pins will just push little bit. It will push the part, solid part, and the part will get collected in a sack. Let's consider there is a sack below the tool. Okay. Now tell me you want to apply graining. Okay. Graining. For graining, gray color. Okay. For graining, tell me for graining from where it will start. Tell me the grain will be on A side or B side?
Sir, A
A
side.
side, sir.
A side. So from which corner or from which point it will start?
Sir, in the cavity side, in the tool, they as making the graining structure. So it will
Huh.
automatically uh, get the graining structure.
Okay. So tell me the grain will start from this corner or from this corner?
Sir, upper.
Upper one on the A surface. Okay. So grain will start from this corner. It will be on yellow profile and it will stop over here. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell
सर
me.
जैसे जैसे
Yes,
इजेक्ट
Abhay.
हो
Hmm.
जैसे जैसे वो इजेक्ट होगा वैसे वैसे स्ट्रक्चर
Hmm.
ड्राफ्ट एंगल के वजह से वैसे वो स्ट्रक्चर वो ऊपर का स्ट्रक्चर
Hmm.
हमें दिखेगा ऐसा है क्या
Yes.
सर? ओके ओके
ऊपर का स्ट्रक्चर नहीं समझा मुझे. ऊपर का स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स
मीन्स
टेक्सचर टेक्सचर
सर
टेक्सचर बोल.
टेक्सचर सॉरी
ओके.
टेक्सचर सर
हाँ. Could you please repeat, Abhay?
सर जैसे सॉरी सर
Okay, okay. There is some background noise. Uh, Abhay, what is your question? While
सर जैसे
removing, yes.
जैसे जैसे सर प्लास्टिक का जो पार्ट
Hmm.
प्लास्टिक है वैसे वैसे इंजेक्ट होगा
Hmm.
वैसे वैसे वो स्ट्रक्चर ड्राफ्ट एंगल के वजह से
Hmm.
वो हमें टेक्सचर मिलेगा ना सर?
No, no, no. Okay, okay, okay. See, can you see this yellow profile? Abhay, is it clear that your graining structure, the texture will be on yellow profile starting from this corner till this corner? Is it clear?
यस सर
In milling, okay. Now, it can be in milling or chemical etching, okay. The second thing, if I zoom, if I zoom on this portion, okay. देखिए मैं कहाँ पे zoom करने वाला हूँ? This portion, okay. Please focus on this portion. Let me draw the same portion again over here. The surface is something like this, okay. Then it is going up, then horizontal, clear. Angle up, again clear, okay. यहाँ पे मैंने small draft दिया 0.6 degree का. Why? Because this yellow is my MTD. Now tell me what is graining? Graining is something like this. One downside again. Yes or no? This is your graining.
यस सर
If we check the cut
Yes, sir. High
section,
point, low points. High point, low points.
yes. So tell me on this side, the graining is okay or not okay on the vertical face? Is it okay or not okay? What do you think?
Sir, not okay.
Why?
नो सर, नॉट ओके
Sir,
सर, वो स्लाइडर और लिफ्टर यूज करना पड़ता है सर फिर
Sorry,
थोड़ा। नहीं,
please
वो
repeat, Deepak.
टूल कॉस्ट ज्यादा होता है सर, वो इसलिए।
Why?
वो डेप्थ है ना सर, वो ग्रेनिंग का।
Hmm.
सर वो माइक्रो मशीनिंग की जरूरत पड़ती है सर मोल्ड में.
हाँ, but after injection also tell me this is okay or not okay.
sir,
See,
there is drop required
see,
for
this is your MTD. This is your MTD, okay. Now tell me with respect to MTD, tell me
नो, नॉट गुड सर।
why.
ब्रेक होता है सर, वो ग्रेनिंग ठीक से नहीं आता सर, सरफेस से
Hmm.
खराब होता है सर ये सब।
Yes. जब आप पार्ट निकालोगे अदर नहीं तो जब इजेक्टर पिन पुश करेगा पार्ट को तब ये ग्रेन खराब हो जाएगा. The part
Yes, sir.
after solidification the part will be locked in yellow profile yellow block in this portion because आप Z में pull कर रहे हो part upside. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Joyjit clear. Subhajit, others, Shweta,
yes, sir.
other force. Abhay clear?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
So now can you imagine why more than 3 degrees required? See, the depth of the grain will not be sir 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm will be depth. No. Hole नहीं है वहाँ पे. It is a small grain. It will be in macron. mm, 0.5 mm, 0.3 mm. Okay. So वो केस में क्या करते हैं हम? See, what you will have to do once you receive this style, and if they are given the graining details and they have mentioned grain will start from here till here, in that case you will have to do draft analysis. In draft analysis, tell me while doing draft analysis with respect to MTD, this will be a vertical face which will be parallel to your MTD nearly. Hardly
Yes,
the
sir.
difference will be 0.5 or 1 degree. Tell me will you modify this surface if there is graining, this patch?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in this case you will
Yes,
have
sir.
to modify, okay? In this case you will have to modify, and the new surface will be, this will keep, you will keep like this, and you will make it 3 degree. Got it? So, but you are modifying the style, yes, because they have given the details. Now, in this case, just try to avoid maximum deviation. So, tell me, will you modify like this or will you modify like this? Which is the good one? The left or right?
Second one, sir. Left, sir.
Left or
Sir,
right?
left.
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 Why?
Left.
Left.
Why?
So for aesthetic purpose.
No.
एनटीडी में इजीली क्लियर होता है सर.
So, ये भी तो लाइन क्लियर हो रहा है
Because
एमटीडी में.
maintaining a topper dimension.
See, in the second, this option, this line, I have considered surface mean over here. Okay. And I have shifted this corner on the right side, bottom corner on the left side. So I will not deviate from the surface. The position will remain as it is. Yes,
Yes.
got it. So if I consider the MTD, so this angle will be here more than 3 degree angle. Clear? Now imagine your graining. Now your graining will be like this. 1, 2, hardly there will be a small depth. Again 3, 4, 5, 6. सी इसमें इतना इमेजिन नहीं होगा आपको, ओके, बिकॉज डेप्थ बहुत कम रहता है. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई वी प्रेफर मोर देन 7 डिग्री. इफ यू डोंट हैव परमिशन, सर अगर मैं ये सरफेस 7 डिग्री से मॉडिफाई कर देता हूँ तो बहुत डिविएशन हो जाएगा इनपुट स्टाइल एंड मेरा जो सरफेस रहेगा. In that case, we will discuss with our tooling guy. We will request them, sir, could you please tell me what will the minimum angle you will require for this type of grade graining? So this is the grade and this is the pattern. This is a texture. How much will be the minimum angle required? The tooling guy will provide you the information. Okay, sir, I can design the tool for this part, but I will need more than 7 degree. Clear? So in that case, you will have to inform your client, sir, I discussed this with my tool expert or the supplier. He's asking for 7 degrees. So we will have to modify this patch. Clear? Hai? How will be the communication? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Delay clear?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Ashok?
Sir, I saw, sir, in animation
Hmm.
while opening of core and cavity,
Hmm.
but I observed that one of the core or cavity fixed and
Yes.
or uh, one of the opening
A style will be mostly A style will be fixed.
A style. Okay.
Depending. See, ejector pin will be from B side every time. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Let me check just a minute. Okay. If you go to our Instagram channel, Can you see that ejector pins?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think we have front bumper tool. See this one, the door panel. Can you see this small pins behind the part? Here you can see small rods, small diameter rods. These are the ejector pins.
Yes, sir.
Ah, this one. Hmm. See, these are ejector pins. Can you see small cylinders? That pin will push the plastic part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so what is this? These are these are lifters. These are lifters. See. So what is the purpose of lifter? The purpose of lifter is to lift the part from the tool as well as to clear the undercut. Just go through all videos, you will get ideas. Okay. I'm checking for one video. Can you see? This is the A style, Ashok. This is the A style.
Yes, sir.
And now ejector pins are coming from the B side and it is pushing to our
Okay.
part. Door panel. See, अगर इजेक्टर पिन ने तो जो पुश करने वाले जो एलिमेंट्स है, इफ इट इज फ्रॉम ए साइड इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ओके, बिकॉज द पार्ट विल बी लॉक्ड इन द टूल बिकॉज ऑफ बी साइड फीचर्स, ओके. So we will have ejector pins from the B side which will push the part, which will help to eject that part from the tool. I think ये देखा हमने. See the side covers. Remember इसका एक क्लोज वॉल्यूम किया था.
Yes, sir.
तो सीट रिक्लाइनर है क्या ये?
नो नो नो, दिस साइड कवर.
ओके.
सी यहाँ पे एक वायर था, आपने
हाँ हाँ
हुक्स
हाँ.
वगैरह बनाए थे. कैन यू सी
ओके.
दिस हुक? कैन यू सी दिस हुक?
हाँ
यस
सर,
सर.
बने थे सर.
ओके, गुड. नाउ अगेन, done this topic. Now, any idea what is slider and lifter?
Yes, sir.
What is slider and lifter? Again, interview topic.
इनसाइड अंडरकट को लिफ्टर से रिमूव करते हैं सर, एक्सटर्नल अंडरकट को स्लाइडर से रिमूव करते हैं सर.
यस सर.
External undercut को
The
इनसाइड
both
अंडरकट
sliders and
को
lifters are used to clear the part which have undercut.
okay, but in which portion you will use lifter and in which portion you will use slider?
It is a means per
इनसाइड सर, इनसाइड अंडरकट को लिफ्टर यूज करते हैं सर, एक्सटर्नल अंडरकट को स्लाइडर.
Okay, okay.
so जनरली जो डायरेक्शन में मतलब जो एंगल पे अंडरकट होता है उसको एक टूलिंग डायरेक्शन मान के वो ड्राफ्ट देके उसको क्लियर करते हैं सर, स्लाइडर और लिफ्टर.
Okay. See, this is my MTD. Okay. Just imagine we have some fixation. काम करते हैं, ये नहीं चाहिए हमें. Suppose this is your A style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your A style. On A style, you have a dog house. You know the dog house, yes? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your dog house section. Okay, and this is the your dog house section. Second one. Now tell me where will the lifter, where you will use lifter and where you will use slider.
We will use a lifter for the doghouse and slider we use for other remaining parts.
And this is a
Other portion.
wall, or let's say rib. Just give me a minute. See, this is a wall. Okay, and there is one hole over here. Tell me, and this is your MTD. Now where will the lifter, will the slider?
Slider will be means almost near to perpendicular to the tooling direction on the right side of the
Hmm.
which you have shown undercut.
Okay.
So left side slider and right side lifter.
So the feature number 1, 2, and 3, where you will use slider and lifters.
1 3 slider
Hmm.
and second number lift slider lifter.
Okay. Okay. See, what is slider and what is lifter? This is correct, as you mentioned. See, this is a undercut. We will call it as inside facing undercut. These are outside facing undercut. Tell me, can you add one cylinder? Sorry, can you add one cylinder like this? Yes or no? Which will move outside? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can we add a block like this? This will be the pin. Can we add a block like this, which will be cleared in left side direction? Yes or no? Some hydraulic blocks.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now for the lifter, can we add a block like this, which will be inside tool, and it will slide with the help of the motion of the other blocks. Other blocks means main tool. The pin will be something like this.
Yes, sir. पहले वो राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होगा उसके बाद ऊपर जाएगा.
Perfect. So how will you, how the red block will shift on the right side?
सर वो पहले नंबर का पहला नंबर का जो स्लाइडर है वो लेफ्ट
Hmm.
साइड जाएगा.
Hmm.
उसके बाद टेक सेकंड नंबर का जो ये ब्लॉक है वो राइट साइड जाएगा उसके बाद ऊपर जाएगा.
हाँ, बट वो क्या हाइड्रोलिक रहेगा सेकंड वाला ब्लॉक? हाउ इट विल मूव?
वो लिफ्टर के पोजीशन जैसे जैसे वो पैरेलल मूवमेंट होगा सर. ये सेकंड नंबर का जो आपने रॉड बताया है
Hmm.
वो ऊपर भी जाएगा और राइट साइड भी जाएगा तभी
Sam
वो क्लियर हो पाएगा.
simultaneously.
यस.
Yes. Others, Rajat, Abhay, can you imagine? Subhajit, others
सर ये
four.
प्रैक्टिकली आई थिंक मैंने
Yes,
मशीन
sir.
में ये देखा हुआ है हमारे मशीन में
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए बोल
Okay.
रहा हूँ.
Okay. You will find videos on YouTube as well. Okay. See what will happen. Can you see? So why the pin? We will call it as pin. Okay. This is a lifter pin. So why it is in angle? Because there will be one hole in your main tool. Okay, imagine your tool is moving up. Okay, your tool is going up. Tell me, this portion, see, it is little bit difficult to explain online. Okay, see, this portion, just imagine, sorry, the block is something like this. There is one hole in the block. Okay, like this. Okay, just imagine till this one. Okay, see, this block. Imagine the green block is going up. Okay, now tell me, this will also, if green block is moving up, this inclined face will also push the red line, red pin. So the red pin will move on the right side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. बोलो. Yes, yes, sir.
Can you imagine?
Yes,
अगर
yes.
मैं रेड पिन को फिक्स रखता, मतलब ऐसे फ्री रखता हूँ, एंड इफ आई पुश द ग्रीन ब्लॉक अपसाइड, automatically this inclined face of green will push the red pin on right side, so the complete block will move. So automatic
Yeah.
means while sliding upside, this will move over here. Okay, so once you open the complete tool, after that you can just slide the lifters, no issue. Sir, will it be simultaneous, means एक साथ ही सब होगा और एक के बाद एक होगा? Depends on your tool. Okay, how what is your requirement? एक साथ भी हो सकता है, सीक्वेंस में भी हो सकता है, सीक्वेंशियल भी टूल्स रहते हैं. सर, आई वांट द सीक्वेंस. सर, द ब्लॉक शुड open first, then this lifter should move on this side. This thing we can do, no issue. Sir, then tell me, so imagine the red block, this is the design position, and once you open the block, the new position will be something like this, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
This will be the new position. So, sir, what should be the distance? What will the travel distance of the block? Again, this is an interview question. See, tell me, if suppose like this wall, if I add something over here, will it be okay? Let's suppose this is a rib. Will it be okay?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
रिप टूट जाएगा सर वो.
Rib टूट जाएगा. Means sir, we don't have sufficient space for the travel of lifter. Yes or no? टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में
Yes.
ऐसा ही एक्सप्लेन करोगे आप क्लाइंट को? Yes, so we
Yes.
don't have in sufficient space for the travel of lifter travel. Okay, so I will just cancel this rib. Okay, sir, we will have to cancel this rib. Okay, no issue. Sir, instead of adding over here, you can do one thing, just add one rib over here. This will work, no issue. But we can't add over here. Tell me, you're moving this block in this direction. Can you keep your surface inclined like this? Will it be okay?
No.
Why no? Can you keep
जब
surface like this?
ग्रीन कलर का पार्ट जब ऊपर जाएगा, if green color part goes up, then automatically it will take right side part, means the red color part right side, so it may create scratches on that surface.
Scratches, otherwise it will create directly a pocket. Damage कर देगा.
Yes. Yes.
Abhay, Sahid, others. Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
Prajesh, are you getting Prajesh? Rajat?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So, जैसे हम MTD में 0.6 का ड्राफ्ट रखते हैं, yes or no? Minimum 0.5 is the requirement, but safe side we will keep 0.6. Tell me, suppose this is your which direction? This will be your
X.
lifter direction.
Yes.
Okay. So will you keep your lifter direction purely in y or x, or can you keep your lifter direction little bit upside?
Upside.
Little bit upside. Okay, left side. Sir, why? Because in this direction you will have to clear. Do you have any other color? Blue. You will have to clear the upper face. So upper face will be like this, and the bottom face, it should be something like this. Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can't keep this face and this face in 0 degree. Okay, you will have to keep some angle more than 0.6 degree, 0.5 degree with respect to your lifted direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I draw the same doggos over here, suppose this is your flat line. Okay, this is your the upper line of this box. This is your flat line, and this is your doggo. So doggo should be something like this. Are you getting? Little bit angle.
Yes,
याद
sir.
है? याद है हमने
Yes, sir.
बॉडी रिमूव करने के बाद यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉप देते हैं.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
सॉरी, नॉट रिमूव करने के बाद फर्स्ट कमांड इज पैड, सेकंड कमांड इज ड्रॉप विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एमटीडी, एंड द थर्ड कमांड इज अगेन ड्रॉप टू द टॉप फेस एंड द वर्टिकल टू फेसेस. यस. सो उसका पर्पस क्या है? सपोज नाउ टेल मी, suppose this is your lifted direction. Tell me, is it okay or not okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay or not okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Rajat,
Angle required.
others? Yes, sorry, Rajat.
Angle required क्या?
Where?
Okay, sir.
Direction left or right direction.
Why?
Uh,
Why?
um, just confused, sir.
Sorry,
No, no, sir, no, no.
others? Is it okay or not okay?
Sir, I
Sir,
did
okay.
not get
Okay,
question.
sir.
The See, this is your dog house, this is your base surface, and the pink line is your lifted direction. The pink line is parallel to the bottom face. Tell me, is it okay or not okay? The lifted direction.
No, sir.
Why?
On the bottom surface, if the
बॉटम में ड्राफ्ट
डिले,
नहीं है सर, बॉटम साइड
हाँ
में
इसीलिए वो स्लाइड होगा, पैरेलल स्लाइड होगा तो स्क्रैचेस क्रिएट कर सकता है सरफेस के
Good,
ऊपर.
good.
ड्राफ्ट नहीं है ना.
That's why, याद है what we did over here? We will just lift the lifted direction by hardly 0.5 or 1 degree. Okay, safe side. So instead of using this lifter, we will use this one. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me now. We have some angle. We have safe side angle 0.6 or more than 0.6, 0.8 degree. Let's say 0.8 degree. Here also with orange, we have some degree, 1 degree angle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here also we have some angle. Okay. Now, so what should be this height? The height of the core route. This should be more than 5 to 8 mm. Okay. This should be more than 5 to 8. Sir, why? Why it should be more than 5 to 8? Can you imagine अगर हम इसका हाइट छोटा कम कर देते हैं, so it will be a sharp blade like this. Tell me, इसका लाइफ ज़्यादा है, ये लिफ्टर का लाइफ ज़्यादा रहेगा कि जो पहले डिज़ाइन है वो लिफ्टर का लाइफ ज़्यादा रहेगा? Tell me, this portion can break after some cycles.
यस सर.
Yes.
But instead of like this, if we design, if we increase that little bit, if we keep something 8 mm like this, we can get more cycles of shots, plastic injection shots. Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No,
So
sir.
let's keep this 8 mm. Height should be 8 mm. You should apply a draft on this surface. Your lifted action should be little bit upside. Apply draft on this face. Any doubt? Any doubt? Tooling concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी बता पाओगे कहाँ पे लिफ्टर एंड स्लाइडर्स यूज होते हैं सिंपल
हाँ
वे
सर
में?
Yes.
गुड.
So there is any safety rules for slider lifter specific guidelines?
Sorry.
So there is any specific golden rules or guidelines for slider lifter?
Yes. Okay, good. Yes, Subhajit. See, what is your task? You will have to find out the formula. For what? The formula for
So pin dia plus total length of undercut like that
see what
stroke
should be the
length.
pin diameter. Okay. Then lifter calculation. Lifter
Undercut
length.
area, sir. Total
Yes.
undercut area.
Lifter length. Lifter travel. Then undercut. Sorry. Yeah, lifter
So
length means
undercut
undercut.
length.
Yeah, it will be the same thing.
Undercut length. Total. Okay, okay.
Yeah, it will be same undercut length. Yes. Okay. We'll have to find out the golden rule. Okay. For
So
lifter
what is ejection stroke? One term ejection stroke I learned. What is ejection stroke?
ejection stroke.
Yes, sir.
So ejection stroke, I think to eject the part only.
Huh.
It
The
it is on
stroke will be on ejector pins.
means it is located on the core of the moving plate machine.
Okay.
Yeah. गुड. वैसे भी आज यही टॉपिक लेना था एंड नीले ने बराबर वही क्वेश्चन पूछा. सो व्हाट इज ग्रेनिंग? ओके. सो स्लाइडर लिफ्टर इज ओके, नो इशू. This will be your task. You will have to find out on Google. If you are getting some images, take the screenshot and you can share in our group, no issue. Slider lifter we had done. Okay, what is inside undercut, what is outside undercut, where we will use sliders, where we will use lifter. What is this? We will call it as lifter pin. So what should be the diameter of lifter pin? Can we use different diameter, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm? You will have to check. We got ideas of what should be, how should be the core out height, what should be the value more than 8 mm. Sir, how will be the lifter direction? We will keep some angle with respect to our base surface, means B side surface, and with respect to this B side surface and this direction, we will keep upper angle just to clear the lifter. Okay. Also, we discuss there should be no feature in front of the undercut. Why? Because we will need some space for our lifter travel. Perfect. So most of the time in 3Ds we will have to show slider direction, lifter direction, MTD, parting line. So graining, how to mention graining in 3D? No, we will not consider any graining in 3D. We will only consider the angle required, minimum angle what we have received from our supplier or tool expert, like more than 3 degree, more than 7 degree, depending on the grain type. We will just keep this that surface. So then where we will add that information of graining, we will add it only on our drawing, engineering drawing, manufacturing drawing.
So where is the putting the graining number in engineering drawing, right, sir?
Huh. And also,
Angle required and grade number required.
yes, grade number and also in drawing we will show like this. will show like this. See, suppose this is your part. So what we will do in drawings, we will just draw a line over here. We will draw a second line over here, okay, and just we will put one header like this, and we will mention A, oh sorry, header will be over here. We will mention point A till B, okay, and again here we will draw a dotted line, dash dash, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, here we will add a symbol of parting line. It will be a scissor like this. From here also we will add one cross. See, symbol will be like this, a line, cross will be like this, and it will be a scissor. Okay, clear? Yes, no? This is the scissor on both sides. We will draw a point A, point B, and this will be a dashed line, and here on header we will mention graining. In text we will mention graining. Sorry, the alphabets are very small. अरे
सर ये जो 3D मॉडल बनाता है वही करेगा या फिर ड्राफ्टिंग वाला करेगा?
ड्राफ्टिंग. GRAIN graining details. Okay, graining details starting from point A. कहाँ जा रहा है टेक्स्ट? point A till point B. Clear? You will have to mention like this in drawing. ये हम देखेंगे. Okay, एक दिन में सब नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, okay. Any other doubts? It's 9 p.m. Any other doubt?
हाँ सर.
प्लास्टिक के
Sorry?
जो पार्ट्स प्लास्टिक के टाइप्स और जो रहते हैं वो कब सीखेंगे सर?
वो पहले आपको खुद से थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करना है. टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल, टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक, दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. अब है, you will have to use ChatGPT, you will have to use Google, YouTube. Okay, you will have to explore different type of material, the properties, and ऑटोमोबाइल में कौन से पार्ट में कौन सा मटेरियल यूज करते हैं, बम्पर में क्या करेंगे, सीटिंग बैक पैनल में क्या करेंगे, डैशबोर्ड में क्या रहेगा, डोर पैनल में कौन सा पार्ट रहेगा, टेक्निकल पार्ट्स में कौन सा मटेरियल रहेगा.
सर वो सीटिंग के लिए फोम भी कौन सा इस्तेमाल करेंगे?
यस यस यस. सी,
सर लेदर टाइप्स वो सब.
अब है जो इसके पहले की जो बैच है ना, जो एडवांस जिनका ऑलरेडी हो गया सब प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने एक प्रेजेंटेशन उनके साइड से बनाया था, उनका असाइनमेंट था वो. ओके, दिस इज वेरी बेसिक. जस्ट यू हैव टू गूगल, टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट, कॉपी द टेक्स्ट एंड जस्ट पेस्ट इट इन योर प्रेजेंटेशन. अभी से ये पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना स्टार्ट कीजिए. उससे क्या बेनिफिट होगा, रेडीमेड मिलेगा तो आपको ही पड़ेगा नहीं. ओके, सो अगर आप खुद से बनाओगे वो, तो आपका वो गो थ्रू हो जाएगा 2-3 बार पे. ओके, 3 to 4 टाइम वो आपको गो थ्रू होने के बाद यू विल गेट आइडिया. ओके, आपके हिसाब से अरेंज किए, ऑर्गेनाइज कीजिए वो प्रेजेंटेशन. आपको कितना सिंपल रखना है, कंपेयर कैसे कर सकते हैं. ओके, if there is some sliding motion, if there is some loading conditions, so in that case, which material should we prefer? Okay, Abhay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone for beginners batch, please start your presentation regarding plastic materials. Okay, and you will have to you will also have to mention in your presentation which if suppose you are working on the bumper, so what will the part material for the bumper, the door panels, dashboard, console, side covers. Okay, and what is the density, you will have to create one presentation.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Rajat,
Yes, sir.
Said, Jajit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abhay, Deepak, Nilay, Subhajit, clear?
हाँ
Yes,
सर,
sir.
वो मास्टर सेक्शन फाइल का क्या करना सर वो?
मास्टर सेक्शन फाइल का क्या करना है? टास्क इज मेंशन ओवर हियर. Deepak,
हाँ नहीं देखा सर.
close volume
ओके.
as per master section, mention your time, means you
सर
will have to
ओनली
use.
सर ओनली
Hmm?
सर सरफेसिंग से करना है क्या पार्ट डिजाइन से करना सर?
वो आप सोचिए, इट्स योर कॉल. ओके.
ओके ठीक है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, I think we can stop. Those who wants to continue the advanced session, okay, after 2 minutes you can stay in the same call, otherwise you can leave. The topic will be initial 5-10 minutes we will discuss on the Subhajit's topic because he has selected in one automobile company. Okay, so we will discuss how was the interview, the design test, all those things. Okay, thank you all, bye, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.